In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a productivity scoreboard in Google Sheets 2026. Start by opening Google Sheets and creating a new file. Click blank spreadsheet, then rename it to 2026 Productivity Tracker so it's easy to find later. Giving your sheet a clear name helps when you're juggling multiple projects. At the top row, we'll set up the structure that powers the scoreboard. In row 1, add these headers from left to right: date, task, category, priority, status, deadline, and notes. Once those are in place, make row 1 bold so your headings stand out from the rest of the data. Clean headers are the backbone of a useful tracker. Next, let's make categories to organize your work. In the category column, you can use labels like client work, content creation, admin, sales, or prospecting, and personal. Keep these consistent and short. This simple grouping helps you see where your time actually goes and makes review much faster. To keep your entries tidy, add drop-down menus. For priority in column D, select the whole column, go to data, then data validation. Create a drop-down with high, medium, and low. This prevents typos and ensures your priorities are comparable across tasks. Do the same for status in column E, adding not started, in progress, completed, and follow up. These status options will make your scoreboard easy to scan at a glance. Let's add a quick visual boost. With column E still in focus, open format and choose conditional formatting. Set a rule that triggers when the text is completed and apply a green fill. Now any completed task pops visually, which makes daily reviews more motivating and clear. Below your main table, create a simple daily summary. Add a label for total tasks, and in the cell next to it, type suos counte A, B2, B100. This counts every task entered in the task column. For completed tasks, use alcountif E2, E100. Completed. For your completion rate, type echelon count F, E2, E100. 100. Completed. County A, B2, B100. Then format that cell as a percentage. If your list grows, you can extend those ranges later to capture more rows. Finally, add a new sheet tab and name it Weekly Summary. Use it to track your total tasks completed, revenue tasks done, and missed deadlines for the week. This overview makes weekly check-ins quick and gives you a clear sense of momentum. That's your productivity scoreboard. Keep entering tasks, update statuses as you work, and use the summaries to guide your focus. Thanks for watching and enjoy building a clearer, more accountable week.